Let's figure out how you were supposed to know that 1 comma -1 was the solution to that system. Gonna make you watch me do it. Here's how you could know. So this was a question you had. Yeah, the answer is yes, that is a solution to the system, but how were you supposed to know that? Let's try it. This is an algebraic solution. So that was the solution. We know it's a solution because you saw when the lines were crossed, when we graphed those two lines, that is indeed where the point crossed. But don't forget what I taught you. A point on the line is a solution to the equation. Solution to the equation is a point on the line. So let's take that point and see if it's a solution to the equation. And if it's a solution to both of these equations, then it's a point on both the lines. It's the only point on both the lines. It's a point where they cross. So let's see. I know it's a little confusing, but let's see. So, okay, I'm going to take the equation on the left, y equals negative 3x, and I'm going to put big open parentheses there, plus 2. Okay, it's a little messy, but you get the idea. Negative 3x plus 2. Why did I leave that big space there? Because that's where the x is going to go. What's the x value? It's 1, right? And there's other ways to do this. You could put the y in there too. We're going to figure out if this ends up being -1, right? Because our y value is that -1 in light blue up there. So let's just see if it works. So y is equal. Oh, I don't like the way that looks. Sorry. Playing with all my pens here. Y is equal to -3 times 1. That's -3. And plus 2. That's a little funny looking. Oh my gosh, I got y is equal to -1. Why is that a good thing? Because that's the same thing I got up here. I got it right there. See, y is equal to -1. It's the same thing. Okay. So yeah, that's great. But unfortunately, that's not enough to tell me that that's a solution to the equation. Because if that's a solution to the equation, it's going to work. It's going to be a solution to both of those equations, because that means it's a point on both of the lines. And the only point that's going to be on both the lines is the point where they cross. Okay, so let's try it in the next one. I'm going to do the same thing. And again, if you wanted to substitute in for y also, you could, and just like see if it came out to be a true statement. I'm just going to figure out what y is and hope that it's -1. So again, I'm going to put in my x value. Right there is +1. 2 times 1 is 2. I know that. So y is equal to 2 minus 3. And then 2 minus 3 is -1. So I get y is equal to -1. And that is a good thing, my friends, because that, again, that's the exact same thing we were given in our ordered pair up there. See, we were like, the question was, go back to the beginning. The question was, is 1 comma -1 a solution to the system? Another way to say that is 1 comma -1 an ordered pair that fits in both the equations? Because every ordered pair that's on the line is a solution to the equation. And every solution to the equation is a point that's every solution to the equation is an ordered pair that's on the line. So we could do it a couple of ways. We could graph the line, see where they cross. Indeed, they will cross at 1, -1. We could see that algebraically by saying, hey, look, this ordered pair 1 comma -1 is a solution to both these equations. So that's how you could have known that, yes, the solution to this system is 1 comma -1, because you plug in 1 comma -1 in for x and y, and it comes up with 2 true statements. It's true. So yes, that's a solution to the system. I hope that was helpful. I hope you're winning at Kahoot. Good for you.